Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mr.Suhas. So today I'm going to show you how to build small capsule house with a big secret in it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The things you are going to need are going to be displayed in this chest. You need birchwood planks. You need oak wood planks. You don't need a chest. That was a mistake for sure. And you need a bridge door and you need some glass if you want to. If you don't want any windows in your house, you can use it's your wish and build a small area that pros will think that's a noob house and they will not get into, and that should be very small and only do a 2 layers and another layer on top. Okay, well now I need, okay, where are they? stairs, stairs. I need some stairs. Okay, that's good. And this is my new skin that my brother sent me and it looks so good. If you want to send me any skins for my YouTube channel logo, you can send me and I will for sure keep it as my YouTube channel logo for a day and in my skin for 200 Minecraft days. And do a smallest house ever in Minecraft ever built it, and that should be very small. That should be like a farm of a single chicken. Yeah, a house of a single chicken. And now I need to set the time today. That's so annoying when you're on right in a build and it will go to times a day and times at night. And I did a little bit of mistake because the bridge and the oak are looking same in the hotbar and I get so much confused by that. And this is my 13th try for doing this video. I did again and again and again, and you will see why in the further part of this video. Take a door and place them there and go to the back and place some bridge wood planks. Place bridge wood planks because they will be matching the door, and close the doors and do the flooring if you want to. If you don't want to, that's your wish then. And remove those blocks on the floor and replace them with oak wood planks. And the doors were pushing though, and yeah, just from there and take some bridge doors and place them there and just close them. Why am I roaming so much? I don't know. And now get some torches. Take some torch and place there for monsters spawning in when you're on survival. Okay, that looks good. And we need to place some windows to see if it's night time or daytime, blah blah blah. And remove the bridge planks. I placed them, but I don't want them anymore. Goodbye. And place some glass. And it looks like I'm playing in Java edition, but no, I'm not. It's just a shader mod that I just installed earlier. So yeah, I don't know how to go to Java edition and Bedrock edition. If you know, please let me know in the comments. Now get a bed, and I installed a mod which makes a face and a Minecraft character on the bed, and there are so many types. Yeah, see there. There are so many beds, and each and every bed gives you special thing. And brown for dead bush, blue for a nice Minecraft scenery, and dark blue is for a squid. Yo, I hate squids. Ew, squids are very annoying though. Yeah. Place a magenta bed and it's a terracotta design. Pink bed for pork chop, green bed for cactus, black bed for spiders. Yo, black looks so good though, but I removed it and I put it a blue bed. Not this one. No, no. I'm never going to do so. I'm going to place a light blue bed. Yo, that looks so good though. Yeah, I just saw that fancy bed mod now and I didn't realize it when I'm not doing this video. That's real. And yeah, how a casual house should have. Place some furnaces, not on your bed, but yeah, there. And place your crafting table there, and it will be very uneasy to get in there into your house. And take some coal and a chest and place the chest there, and place some coal in there for when you're using your furnace. And don't place the meat, because it will be literally cheating when you place the meat. And yo, don't do that. If you're on survival, take some raw pork chop or something and do that, but never place coal and all the raw food in a chest, please. And take some oak wood planks and cover that window up, and remove that small area and place blocks as shown in the video. Yeah, just like that. Place them again, and just let me go inside. Boop boop. Now you have a small space for your underground base. That was a surprise for you. Didn't you think about that? Probably you didn't think about that. Yeah, do another layer. I did a mistake. This is my first ever time making a secret base with the paintings. And yeah, you need paintings. Yeah, now I'm in voiceover mode. I I know what I'm doing now, and this is my first time seeing my video. You need paintings. Take a painting and place it there. Yeah, that won't work, and I will come back later. That took me so long, but there is a fun fact. You can walk through paintings when the back side is empty. Yeah, just like that. I'm showing you so many times that you'll understand that. And now just you can dig there, and I did a little pause and I worked, and this is how my underground base looks like now. And I changed the painting, and just let me go inside and see. I have my armor, enchanting table, my diamond and emerald block design on the walls, and here you have everything you want to design your house. cooking weapons, and you will have emerald and all of that rare blocks. And I got them when because I'm on creative. Yeah. Okay, if you like my secret painting base, please like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos. Bye, friends.